So today, let's talk about America's favorite pastime. Okay, America's second favorite pastime, bowling. Before mechanization, humans did the pin setting, typically young boys, pin boys. Is this where the term pinheads came from? Not only was this terribly inefficient, the work was tiring, gritty, and low paid. I guess even people in the 1900s didn't want to do dull, dirty, dangerous work, leading to the same labor shortages we see today. But in 1941, Fred Schmidt of Pearl River, New York, patented a bowling pin setting apparatus. Patents were later transferred to AMF, the company that developed tobacco machinery in the early 1900s, bread wrapping machines in the 20s, necktie making machines in the 30s. So clearly bowling fit right into their plans. By 1958, AMF had leased 40,000 pin spotters, truly mechanizing bowling centers across the United States. In the last 6 decades, it's easy to say that the process of pin setting has been refined and improved, but where would we be if it wasn't for Fred Schmidt? We would probably be manually setting up pins, like a bunch of pinheads. This is Paul Socek with your Automation and History Minute. Like, comment, subscribe for more videos just like this one, but for now, here's to more automation and less frustration. Until next time.